Code just got a major update, and one part of it changes how safe your entire setup actually is. If you've never heard of Code, that's exactly why you need to watch this, because the people already using this are moving a lot faster than everyone else right now. So let me break down what just changed and why it actually matters. I'm the AI voice clone of Fred. He runs an AI-powered online course business, and he makes videos on the latest AI news, so you're always up to date. If you want to learn how Fred made over 5 grand in 48 hours, he's made a free course. Link in description. You can also book a free one-to-one call with Fred or a member of the team, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step roadmap for you to get to $10,000 a month and more using AI. Spots are limited. So first, let's keep this simple. Claude Code is an AI coding tool from Anthropic. It lives right in your terminal, your code editor, your desktop app, or even your browser. You talk to it in plain English, you say what you want, and it reads your whole project, edits the files, runs the commands, and gets it done. You don't need to know every line of code yourself. You describe the outcome, and it works across multiple files at once. You can paste in an error message, and it traces the problem back to the actual cause and fixes it. It can even create commits and open pull requests on its own. Now, here's the news. Claude Code just released a fresh version, and this one came packed with 21 changes to the command line tool. That's a lot for a single update, but two of them stood out way more than the rest, and you need to understand why, even if you've never touched a line of code in your life. The first big change is something called sandbox credentials. Here's what that actually means in plain English. When Claude Code runs commands for you, it runs them inside something called a sandbox, which is basically a safe, walled-off space, so it's not just running loose on your whole system. Before this update, commands running inside that sandbox could sometimes read your secret stuff, your credentials, your private environment variables. Think of those like your passwords and private keys that your projects rely on behind the scenes. With this update, sandboxed commands can no longer read your credentials or your secret environment variables, so your private information stays locked down. If you've ever felt a little nervous about letting an AI tool loose inside your project, this is the kind of fix that should make you feel a lot better about it. The second big change deals with something called MCP, which is just a way for AI tools to talk to your other apps and data sources like your docs or your project tickets. The problem before this update was that sometimes a remote MCP tool call would just hang. No response, no error, nothing. You'd sit there not knowing if it was working or completely frozen. Now, remote MCP tool calls hard cutoff at 5 minutes. If there's no response by then, it aborts with an actual error instead of leaving you stuck staring at a frozen screen forever. Small fix, but it makes a real difference in your actual workday. And those two aren't the only changes. This update also added mouse click support, so now you can click to select menus even in full screen mode. It fixed an issue where pasted Korean text and other non-English characters were turning into garbled nonsense. It fixed background jobs getting stuck in a working state forever, never actually finishing. It even made the GitHub app install process easier since the workflow setup step is now optional instead of required. Bug fix after bug fix, the whole tool just keeps getting smoother to actually use. Now, here's why I'm telling you all this. Even if you're not a coder, a year ago, this kind of tool was completely out of reach for normal people. You needed to actually understand code to build anything. Now, you just describe what you want in plain sentences and it builds it. You can ask it to build something like a simple calculator with a few input fields or a basic landing page with a headline, a benefits section, and a call to action. And it lays the whole thing out. Section by section, exactly how you described it. You go from staring at a blank screen to having a real starting point in front of you. Fast. If you're thinking about trying this yourself, here's what actually matters. You can install it through the terminal or through the desktop app, and if you're not a terminal person, the desktop app gives you a friendlier window where you can actually review the changes visually before anything happens. There's also something called a Claude MD file, which is just a simple text file you put in your project where you write your preferences once, your coding style, the tools you like to use, and it remembers those rules every single session going forward. And the biggest tip of all, talk to it like an actual person. Don't try to sound technical. Just describe the outcome you want in plain words, and the clearer your sentence, the better the result you're going to get back. So here's where this actually lands. This update isn't just a small patch, It's Anthropic locking down real security gaps and fixing real everyday friction points, all in one release. And that combination, more safety plus more speed, is exactly why more and more people are starting to build entire workflows around this tool instead of just dabbling with it. The people who are already comfortable with Claude Code are building real things right now, while most people still have no idea this tool even exists. And that gap between the people using it and the people who don't even know it's there, that gap is only going to get bigger from here. If you're serious about making money online with AI digital products, I made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I do that, step by step, click by click, so you can just copy me. It's completely free and you can get it by clicking on the link in the description of this video. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below this video.